Hey, I want to show you one of the common problem with the coffee machines of Saeco, and what is the problem here with this machine. When you start and want to make coffee with this machine, the grinder starts to grind coffee, and every time when you want to make coffee, the grinder works with different time. One time work for 5 seconds, one time for 7 seconds. And what is the problem? When the coffee beans go inside the grinder, they are grinded and goes to this mechanism here. This mechanism here decide when the coffee is enough and stop the grinder. And you have a micro switch, and this micro switch govern the grinder. So what is happened here, you have see this black thing here. It's some sort of carbon accumulations here, and doesn't get a good contact. And sometimes, because here the voltage is 5 volt direct current, and this destroy this contact here, and you have to repair the switch, which I have a video, or you have to replace it, because this is dangerous. It will work like this, but in some time will stop work, and all the coffee from the coffee bean will be grounded and go inside the brew group. So you can have a big problem. And this is for the switch. This switch stays here, and this is of course the cables, and here is the coil inside this mechanism who drop the coffee inside the brew group. Something else I want to show you. I want to show you the steam valve of the Saeco Incanto and Gaggia titanium, because this machine is 100% Saeco, but let me show you. You can see here it's Gaggia titanium. Okay, but inside the machine is Saeco Incanto, so they have the same steam valve. And as you can see here, this one is the last model in production. There is silicone hose and not the other Teflon hoses, so it's not a problem, but it's the last of the production. So the last machines are get from the factory with the metal body of the steam valve, and the more old models are getting out with the plastic body of the steam valve. And you can see here, one time is white and the other is yellow, transparent. So what is the problem? If your machine leaks from the steam valve and your steam valve is plastic, you have to replace the whole steam valve, because 99% of the time this plastic is old and start to crack. As you can see here, this black crack here, and it's leaked. Some people try to glue it and something else, but it's not work. Here you can see the same. Here on this piece here you can see the crack. So if your machine is with this type of plastic steam valve, and this is inside the steam valve, what is inside. So if you have plastic, I recommend you to buy it, maybe a second hand or a new, but buy with the metal body, because as you can see the metal body, it doesn't have a problem. If you need to replace the O-rings or something else, you can do it and no problem. So this is for this video. I hope it's helpful for you, and we will see you next time. Bye.